Hi students, now please look at question number 3 of exercise 3.2, page number 49. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. The question is, check the consistency of the pair of linear equations which are given here. So we have already discussed for a pair of linear equations, if the given lines are intersecting, then definitely there will be exactly one solution, isn't it? Exactly one solution. Then we can say that the pair of linear equations are consistent, isn't it? If the lines are intersecting, then what is the number of solutions here? Exactly one solution, isn't it? Then there will be one solution. Okay, in this case we can say that the given lines are consistent. To check whether the lines are intersecting or not, we know how A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, isn't it? If A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, then we can say that the lines are intersecting with exactly one solution, with unique solution. In that case we can say that it is consistent. The lines are consistent. Now, what if the lines are coincident? Coincident means what? Over one line, another line passes. Okay, if the lines are coincident, then we can say there will be infinitely many solutions, isn't it? There will be infinitely many solutions with consistency. Then the lines are consistent. Okay, how can we understand whether the lines are coincident or not? If A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. This implies the lines are coincident. If the lines are coincident, then definitely there will be infinitely many solutions, by which we can say that the equation is consistent, isn't it? Now, what if the lines are parallel? If the lines are parallel, then we can say that there will be no solutions, isn't it? There will be no solutions. So therefore, which implies, therefore, it is inconsistent. The lines are inconsistent. Hope it is clear. Okay, to check whether the lines are parallel or not, when if A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. Okay, if A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 but which is not equal to C1 by C2, then we can say that the given pair of linear equations are parallel. So there will be no solutions, which will result into inconsistency of the given equations. Okay, so when we look at question number 3, here in question number 3 it is given, question number 3, first question it is 3x plus 2y equal to 8, sorry 3x plus 2y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 7. Now taking a1, that is the first equation, coefficient of x, that is 3, b1 it is 2 and c1 it is 5. Again a2, coefficient of x in the second equation, that is 2, b2 that is minus 3 and c2 that is 7. Now when we take the ratios, a1 by a2, that is what, 3 by 2, comma b1 by b2 equal to 2 by minus 3, c1 by c2 that is 5 by 7. So from here we can understand, therefore A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, isn't it? A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So we can say that therefore the given pair of linear equations, the given pair of lines are intersecting, which means it has exactly one solution, isn't it? It has exactly one solution, or it is unique solution. It has unique solution, which means the given pair of linear equation is consistent. Hope it is clear. Okay, now when we look into the next question, question number 2, 2x minus 3y 2x minus 3y equal to 8, 4x minus 6y equal to 9. So here also comparing the ratios, a1 here it is 2, b1 minus 3 and c1 that is 8. A2 from the second equation coefficient of x, b2 that is minus 6 and c2 that is 9. Taking the ratios a1 by a2 that is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 we can write it as what? 1 by 2, isn't it? 2 into 1, 2 into 2. So we got 1 by 2. Similarly, b1 by b2 that is what? Minus 3 by minus 6, isn't it? So 3 into 2 that is also equal to 1 by 2. Now when we take c1 by c2 that is what? 8 by 9. Okay, so we cannot cancel this further. So we can say that therefore a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. It is not equal to c1 by c2, isn't it? So we can say therefore the given pair of linear equations is parallel, isn't it? Which implies the given pair of linear equation is parallel. Okay, if the lines are parallel, then there will be no solutions. Okay, which implies that the given pair of linear equation is inconsistent. Okay, students, so therefore the given pair of linear equation is inconsistent. Now please look at question number 4. Here in question number 4, 5x minus 3y equal to 11 minus 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. Taking the coefficients, a1 equal to 5, b1 that is minus 3 and c1 that is 11, a2 that is minus 10, b2 that is positive 6 and c2 that is minus 22. Taking the ratios here, we'll get a1 by a2 that is what? 5 by minus 10, that is 5 into 2 is 10, so we can write minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by b1 by b2 that is what? Minus 3 by 6. Here again 3 into 2 is 6, isn't it? So that is minus 1 by 2. And finally c1 by c2 that is what? 11 by minus 22. 11 into 2 is 22, so that is minus 1 by 2. So we got finally a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, isn't it? So therefore a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, which implies that if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, we can say that the given pair of linear equation is coincident. Okay, if the lines are coincident, then there will be infinitely many solutions, isn't it? Many solutions. So finally we can say that therefore the given lines are consistent. Hope it is clear. Question number 3 and 5, you can solve it. It's easy only. Similar way you can try, students. Thank you.